Okay, secret lens cleaning trick. Surprised I haven't made this video yet. I've had a few people recently ask me about it. Some of the older AI and AIS lenses have a felt lining right here in the rear of the barrel, and it's used for light reflection. Right now I have the rear element focused as far away from the rear mounts as possible, like I do right now. What you do is you take a pencil, this is close enough, and you just take some clear transparent scotch tape. You don't want to use any tape that will leave a sticky residue behind. Just reverse wrap it, sticky side out, obviously so. And what you do is you take a light, make sure not to touch your rear element, and you'll roll the pencil around that felt lining. This is the same way you clean the felt lining in your light box. However, that's far more risky. It's easy to accidentally cause damage there if you don't know what you're doing. Here, not so much. As long as you stay away from your rear elements, no big deal. And you're talking about a wooden pencil, preferably one with an eraser on it. So I mean, if you touch the rear element, then all you've done is you've touched it with an eraser, and you have to clean your rear elements. So what? Yeah, there's quite a bit of fuzz coming out of this. This fuzz actually degrades. This felt lining degrades with heat too. But the important thing is to get out the cotton balls and the cat fur and dog fur that I've always seen back here. And you can see I've got quite a lot. I mean, half of that is actually part of the felt, but now it looks just like it rolled off the factory in the 1970s. It's just amazing! So that is that little trick. Very simple. This is a 200mm f4 in case someone was noticing, but there are a lot of lenses like this that have felt in the rear end of the barrel. I said just to keep out light reflections. Nikon doesn't do that anymore for obvious and logical reasons why. It just acts like Velcro. It traps in dust. Well, its use is understood for the prevention of light reflections in the inner barrel when focused at a certain distance. It ultimately is not that useful, but you got to clean it. So that's the answer to that one. And thanks. Let me know if there's any other little oddball videos like that that I missed, and I will certainly make it. But that is the little trick for cleaning out the felt lining out of your older AI and AIS Nikkors lens. Pretty simple, eh? Great. Thanks for watching. Bye.